Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. Today we are going to be unboxing my clear teeth aligners from the startup company Brisva, and I'm super excited. So if you want to see this unboxing, go ahead and keep watching.
Alright, let's get to opening this box because I am so excited. So first off, you're going to have this little pamphlet and it just kind of goes over the do's and don'ts of your aligners. It also lets you know that if there's any sharp edges, you can file those down, which is really convenient. Now, here is what comes in the box. Look at all these goodies. I can't believe everything they sent. So first off, we have orthodonts, which are just little wax pieces to protect your gums from little sharp edges. A bottle of Tylenol. How thoughtful is that? There is a very cool bamboo toothbrush. These are some like on-the-glow cleaner wipes for your aligners. And then here is aligner care for like at home. They're just little tablets you put in water and it cleans your aligners. A little tray of Altoids. And then this is David's toothpaste. It's all natural and it's for sensitive teeth, so that's really cool. And then here are some floss picks. Now for the box of aligners. Are you guys ready for this? I'm so excited. So first off, when you open it up, it has your treatment schedule, so it explains what aligners you're going to put in at what week and the whole 6-month time frame. Here is a little bite me tool and a carry case for your aligners, and a bag to put all your goodies in. So here is month 1, week 1. So the first set of aligners I'm going to be wearing. And then this is the very last set. So here is the little case to put your aligners in when you're not wearing them. It's a little magnetic case. And then here is that bite me tool. This helps you get your aligners out of your teeth. It also helps you seat them down into your teeth. And it fits in my carry case. I'm just going to put all my little goodies in my bag so it's ready to go when I'm going out the door. So convenient, and it has my name on the back.
Alright, so let's go over the treatment plan. This tool is so helpful. I love how it shows the whole progression of my 6-month journey. It just shows each tooth how it's going to move, and I think it's really cool. So here are some screenshots of before and after of the front, which changes so drastically. I can't believe my teeth are going to look like this in 6 months. Just totally straightened out. And then from the left and before and afters from the right, you can see it looks like I have like an overbite or something, which is crazy. I didn't think I did, but it shows I seem to. So that will all be just evened out. That's so cool. And then from the upper, a before and after of my upper teeth, which I didn't think were that crooked, but they look pretty crooked, these 2 front teeth. And then the craziest of all, the lower teeth. I think it's so crazy how crooked they are, and in just 6 months are gonna be just so smoothed out and straight and perfect. I'm so excited, and I can't believe it's only gonna take 6 months. That's nuts to me. So also, I wanted to go over the little pamphlet that came with my aligners. This is just a new patient read before you start kind of thing. So it just kind of goes over welcoming you. It has a lot of the do's and don'ts. Let's see. Don't wear your aligners while eating or drinking anything other than water. You always want to store them in the little magnetic case that they give you just to keep them safe. You want to clean them every time before you put them in. And let's see. Don't smoke with your aligners in. They can stain them. Don't chew gum while wearing your aligners. Always wash your hands with soap and water just to keep them clean. Obviously there's going to be some discomfort, and that's okay. It's normal. If there's any sharp pain or significant discomfort, they say to discontinue the use of those aligners and just contact them. They're going to take care of you. So let's see, protect your aligners from sun, hot vehicles, or excessive heat. Don't throw the aligners away. I'm keeping each one after I use them. Keep all your aligners after you've finished wearing them and store them in a cool, dry place. You'll need these if you lose or break an aligner. And then it kind of goes over using them, like identifying they each have a little number on the side so you know what week and everything you're on. Yeah, oh, I'm so excited. So, like, here is like pro tips. If you misplace or lose one, get a hold of them, they'll fix it. Until you've completed your treatment, your teeth may feel a little strange. It's totally normal. They're just moving gently, getting all set up. If you fail to wear your aligners, you know, it's not good. They're not gonna move in the time frame that is expected, so you want to make sure you wear them. I'm supposed to be wearing mine 22 hours a day, so I have 2 hours a day where I can have them out. You know, I spread that out throughout the day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, some snacks, but I try to minimize how long I have them out. So yeah, that's all the, basically what the little pamphlet says, so yay.
Another really cool thing they offer is this patient portal where you can go on and see your treatment plan anytime you'd like. You can look at your checkups every time you use a new aligner. You can order replacement aligners if you've lost them. So this is really neat, something you can access at any time. There's also a message area where you can message your orthodontist any questions you may have, any concerns, and they will get right back to you. Okay, here we go. We are going to be trying on these aligners for the first time. Here is month 1, week 1. I have an aligner for the upper and for the lower. My lower teeth are way worse than my upper teeth though, so I am super excited to fix this. And here are the aligners. Very good quality. I was very impressed. And remember, if your aligners are a little bit rough, you can take a file and just file the edge down, no more than 1 millimeter, but just to get the little rough edge off so that they're not cutting your gums or your cheeks. So here is the upper aligner, and that went in really smoothly. I was very impressed. Now the lower is going to be a little bit more rough because my teeth are very crooked on the bottom, but it just snaps right in. Alright, it fits nice and snug, and remember, if there's any rough spots, you can go ahead and file them down just very lightly. Alright, I am ready to tackle week 1.
I also wanted to show you guys how clear these actually are. If this will focus, like, these are so clear. You cannot even tell that I have them in. Half the time my husband's like, you need to put your aligners in. I'm like, I have them in. You just can't see them. How cool is that? So clear. And I had them in last night. Today, my teeth are just a little bit tender, but nothing really to complain about. Nothing like braces, that's for sure. Super easy. I'm so excited. Just pop them back in. There we go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Also, you can follow me on all other social media. I'm justmills.com everywhere, and follow along for stories and updates like throughout the week and that kind of thing. Alright guys, I will see you next time.